So I haven't seen a video on this. It's the Gotrax Apex Pro, I believe. Need to change the front wheel on it. You can see it has these reflectors and only one screw hole here. The other one's behind this reflector here. There's another video where somebody's just busting it apart, and I broke my other side, as you can see. But I'm going to try and glue it back together and save it best I can, but trial and error. So you want to use something sharp knife or something to get in between here. You got to get a little deep because it's all mounted on a black plate, but it's only slightly glued in, so you have to just get behind it and dig in there deep. Might end up with some marks, but you can change your tire. See, it's starting to move. You kind of see a little bit right there. That's where the screw's at. I had to like work around it a little bit. There it goes. You see it? It's coming up. Don't cut yourself. It's not fun. Uh-oh. Cracked a little bit. Oh. Well, I'm gonna have to glue this one too. But anyway, that's the way to get at it. Make sure your knife's sharp. Yeah, there it goes. Popped off. Might be luckier than me doing this, but there it is. There's the other screw. Separates right here pretty easy. It just pops apart. So that's that. Gonna mount my solid rubber tire here. Good luck, all.